I'm Connor with GME Supply, and in this video, we're taking a look at the new LAD-SAF Vertical Safety System from 3M DBI SALA. This LAD-SAF is the newest, most versatile, and easiest to install vertical safety system on the market. Its redesigned structure makes it lighter, with over 70% fewer loose components than previous models. Fewer parts means less weight, less potential for dropped objects, and a simplified installation process. With pre-swaged cable terminations, you simply hook the cable into the top bracket and tension it at the bottom. Measuring, running, and cutting cable is now history. They've even integrated an anchor point to the top bracket, allowing you to attach an SRD or lanyard once you've reached the top of the ladder. It comes in several configurations for ladders and monopoles of any size, including galvanized or stainless steel hardware options. The 3/8" steel cable is fully compatible with 3M DBI SALA's X2 and X3 detachable cable sleeves, as well as other grabs designed for 3/8" cable from other manufacturers. And when used with the X2 or X3 sleeves, this system meets requirements for the new ANSI Z359.16 standard. Not only has 3M DBI improved the installation, but they've streamlined the ordering process as well. Forget the days of calculating cable guides, U-bolts, washers, nuts. It's all a thing of the past. Simply measure the height of your ladder and order one part number for an entire system that fits. Check out the new and improved LAD-SAF Vertical Safety System from 3M DBI SALA at gmesupply.com. Hit that bell to subscribe and get notified every time we post a new video. And follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for our latest updates, promotions, and giveaways.